Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create professional documents using the Canva app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First open Canva, then go to the print products, then go to the gifts section, the stationery section, sorry. And here the second option is going to be the A4 document, which is the general document size that you would use. Then tap on it, and here you can choose one of these professional templates that are all made by professional designers by Canva. And there are many different kinds of documents, so you can find the one that you are interested in. There are notes, there are invoices, planners, daily planners, CV, resumes, or anything really. And when you find the one that you are interested in, let's say an invoice or a CV, you just click on it, and then you can customize it to the fullest extent. You can change every single text box here. You can change the details. You can add your logo, you can add your address or any personal information that you would like to add. Let's check out another template. This is a CV. Here you can also go and change the picture by tapping on it. You can go to uploads, you can upload a photo of yourself, then drop it onto this picture and it's going to change it. So it is very easy to customize and you can have a professionally designed document in a few minutes. As you can see, they have quite a few CV formats, a lot of invoices, and any kind of document that you would like to edit and create it beautifully. You just type in the search bar the type and you can find it. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.